small leak in their bathroom recently. Neither of them knows much about plumbing, but they searched online to find out what they could do about it, and Tom patched it up quite well. Everything seemed to be fine. No more leaks, no more worries. That was until Rachel came home one day to find their bathroom was flooded with water up to her ankles. So they contacted us. We arrived at their home in no time, quickly assessed what the issue was, and fixed everything for them properly. Even a small leak can turn into a big problem if it's not taken care of properly by a professional plumber. So if you're looking for a professional plumber to fix your plumbing issues, then contact us today.